Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So today's video is going to be a review video where I'll be showing you my two favorite lip balms of the season. I am obsessed with lip balms. Like, I'm one of those people who keep on reapplying lip balms all day and I always have one in my bag. So whatever I'm sharing today are my personal favorites, and without any further ado, let's get started. So Nykaa recently launched its new lip balms, which are the Serial Kisser lip balms, and these retail for rupees 149, and the amount of product you get is 4.5 grams of product. They have 6 to 7 variants and majorly fruity fragrances, and I have the pomegranate one. So let's talk about the packaging. For the price you pay, I feel like this is the very cute and sturdy packaging. This is how the product looks, and the amount of product you get is this much. I have used it once and I feel like it has a very lightweight formula, and it claims to have almond oil and vitamin E, which are very healthy ingredients for your lips. And yes, you have to reapply it after 2 to 3 hours, which doesn't make it a very long lasting kind of a lip balm. It smells exactly like pomegranate, like a very fruity and a very fresh kind of fragrance, and it looks pink but it is very clear and transparent on the lips, so not suggested for people who are looking forward for a tinted lip balm. Also, if you have very dry lips, like chapped lips, so I wouldn't recommend this one for you, because in that case you have to go for something which is really very moisturizing and hydrating and long lasting as well. But if you casually want to carry a lip balm in your bag, like in summers, then for the price you pay, I feel like it is a very decent product. The second lip balm which I have is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with SPF 15 and vitamin E. Okay, so earlier I used to use those Maybelline and Nivea lip balms which come in so many variants, and I have used most of them. But this one is my recent discovery from Nykaa, and trust me, if you're a person who doesn't like reapplying lip balm all day and you're looking for something which is very hydrating on the lips, then trust me, you have to try this one. And the one which I have is the dark chocolate and the cherry variant, and it smells exactly like chocolate. Like, you feel like eating it, and it tastes like very sweet or sour. I don't know what's the flavor, but it tastes very odd. But yes, it is very moisturizing on the lips, and it retails for 130. I got it on sale, so I got 2 for 130, and for the price you pay, I feel like it is a very decent product. So overall, I just love this product. I just can't leave my house without this one. So these were the 2 lip balms for the season, and I will provide the link in the description box in case you want to buy any of them. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell button. See you in my next video. Bye.